Hi friends, welcome back to the Programmer Guide YouTube channel. In last video we have discussed about the intermediate and terminal operations, right? In one of them intermediate operation is filter. We will see the usage of the filter and how we will use in the programmatically. Okay, filter returns the stream that contains the element of the stream that matches the given predicate. That means stream is going to be take a input parameter as a predicate. So whatever the predicate matches, the predicate is nothing but a conditional check, right? Whatever that predicate matches, it will return the output. It takes the predicate reference as an argument, so it is a functional interface. So you can use the lambda expression to pass here. So I mean, filter is nothing but you need to strike in your mind. If you want to perform some conditional check on the given list of or collection of objects, right, you can blindly choose the filter is the intermediate method. Okay, this filter is a intermediate method. As I told, the filter method is also a lazy. That means whenever you do the evaluation until you call the termination operation, it is not going to be perform or return anything. Okay, the syntax of the filter is stream of t. T is nothing but any return of the collection. Okay, filter predicate. So here this predicate is going to be taken as any collection object. So here it will do the conditional check. Okay, I mean, if you see the usage, right, whenever you want to check some conditional operation of the given collection of or input stream or any given array list of values, right, you can use the filter as a method in the intermediate operations. Let's see some set of examples, right? You can see how you can use the filter in programmatically. Okay, I have taken the one list of string. Okay, here array list of values, right? As you know, right, once you take the string array, you can convert that string into the list by using the arrays.as list. So Bangalore, Goa, Delhi, Hyderabad, UP, I have taken the values. What I am trying to do here is I need to convert this list into the stream. Now names.stream converting the list into the stream. After that I am applying the filter where string length greater than 7, wherever the length of the strings, right, is greater than 7, filtering that by using the filter method. Okay, so after filtering, right, the filter itself return the another new stream. That new stream contains the greater than 7, and collect is the terminal method. Okay, in collectors dot to list, that means in collect, right, collectors is going to be take as a input parameter. If you see here, right, so collector is having the to list method. So we are going to return given values of the list. Okay, here, right, length of the names dot for each. So again I have used the for each method. So in by using the method reference, so println is the method reference, right? So it will print the list of the values which belongs to the greater than 7. Let's execute the program. Let's execute the program. See, Bangalore and Hyderabad is the greater than 7. See, this is how you can use here, right, whatever the conditional check you want to do in your program based on the given collection. So you can perform the filter operation. Let's see another example which having the custom example. See, customer is a class I have taken, customer ID, name and customer order. Okay, and constructor, getters and text setters and toString method I have written. In here, right, I have taken the set of values, I mean customer objects 101 to 106. Okay, what I am trying to do here is I want to perform filter chaining. As I told you, right, one or more intermediate operations can be performed. So that is the reason I am doing the two conditional check. That means customer order contains the iPhone IP contains which contains the IP, and it is going to filter customer name who starts with K. As you know, right, it is a terminal operation. I am going to print the values. Let's execute this program. See here, right, set of values iPhone which belongs to the Krishna name contains the K. So this is how you can do the different set of operations, or filter chaining also you can do. Okay, in this third example, right, I have taken the list of array of integers. Okay, what I am trying to do is I am filtering the values which is going to be divided by 2 and the quotient is not equals to 0. That means I wanted to find the odd numbers in the array. Okay, see 1236 to 853 is the odd numbers, and after that what I am trying to do is maximum odd number I wanted to select, I wanted to print. That is the reason the maximum value is going to be only 1, right? So here the stream of end result is going to be integer. So whenever I have discussed with the whenever I have discussed with the terminal operations, it can return the primitive values also, or collection, or any other integer values also, right? This is how it is going to be. So the max function, how it is going to be work here, right? See, max value, whatever the given list we have given, so it is going to be compare. So it will compare each and every value. Comparator performs the comparison and returns the final value. Okay, so let me execute this program. See, in the given list of objects, 853 is the maximum number. So suppose, and also it is the odd number. Let's suppose the 111, 4 ones. Okay, so now it is the maximum value, right? Either it will works or not, we will check it here. See, this is the final value. That means we are converting this arrays into the list. After the list converting the stream, if filter is going to be return the end stream as a odd values. Of in that odd list of values, we are going to select the maximum value. So that is our object. See, you should blindly remember, whenever you want to do some conditional check or conditional operation, right? So you can use the filter in the streams. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for further more videos. Bye bye.